Hello guys, welcome to back HTML for course. In this tutorial we are going to make a login page for our template page. For this purpose we should navigate on the and open the VS Code for and then create a folder. Inside it we can create a folder by the name is template. Inside this template we can create, for example, create a file by the name of login.html. For this we should create a separate folder and open VS Code. After that we can open folder. Inside one of folder we can create, for example, find the name of a website. New folder we can rename, can give name for it, our website, and select, and then we can create a folder inside it by the name of template. Inside it we can create a file by the name of login.html. Now inside login.html we can put this and write this element in this code for method equal inside double quotation capital P post and close the tag. Open tag h3 align equal is center, close the tag. Inside the h3 we can write on login open tag label class is equal, inside double quotation we can write down email, close the tag. Inside double quotation we can write down email address. We can write down, for example, import element so it is type equal email, class attribute its value is equal form hyphen control. We have got ID identification is equal, inside the bracket we have can write out, for example, email. You just introduce for this label our email, and name is equal, inside the bracket you can write down, for example, email. We have got other attribute such as placeholder equal enter email. we can close the tag. So, and close the can close the if element tag. So for development have got development class attribute is equal is value of form group hyphen group close the tag. Inside this div element we can write down, for example, open tag label is equal label 4 is an attribute. We can write this its value password close the tag. Inside this label element we can write out, for example, password for our email. We can create the password label for our email. Open tag input type is an attribute, its value is equal inside password class is an attribute. We can write as its value, for example, 4 hyphen control id is equal attribute its value is password name is equal password. Password is an attribute. We can write down, for example, its value enter password and close the tag. We can write down BR element can create a button, for example, open tag button element type is equal submit button class is equal btn 10 hyphen primary close the tag. Inside this button we can write down the title of this button by the name of login page. Login so that we can write down for close the form. run before running the program. We should save the codes and go ahead on the terminal. Inside we can run the active file. You can see the changes. We have made this login page for our HTML page. If you are going to create a title and connect the sign up page with our login page, inside here, before login, the register should register themselves for the person going to enter login in login page. Before login, should sign up yourself. For this purpose, you should put these codes inside here and put this element. For example, h1 element. Inside this element, we have got please sign up. We just want from register to before login should sign up themselves. Inside for this connecting for this linking, we should write an a element class is equal. Inside the basic quotation, nav hyphen item, nav hyphen link, id is equal please sign up. Href is equal. We are going to link this login page with our sign up page. We just write the name of that HTML page, for example, sign up page, sign up.html. Inside this, we can write please sign up and close the tag. If we run the program, before this, we should go ahead and save the codes, and after that, we're going to go ahead on the terminal side. Inside here, we should run the program, and you can see the change. It's the login page. Please sign up. Have you signed up? We just ask for a person before login should sign up and click inside here. Can enter their email address, their name, password, and confirm password, and can get back to login page by entering email and password. Can log in and go to the HTML page. It's the way of creating login.html, how we can create a template by the name of login page. It is the way, is the method of login for creating a login page. You can put this, you can write on these codes inside your VS Code and can see the change. Please subscribe our channel, and you will see the next video about the signup.html.